How to track your orders on Temu. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can track your orders on Temu. For that, you will need to open your Temu application on your mobile device first and make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, you will reach to this homepage. Here at the bottom, you will find your profile icon. Tap on this profile icon and you will reach to this page. Here you will need to select this Your Orders option. Tap on this option and there you will find the list of your orders. Find the order you want to track from this list of orders. And once you find it, tap on the order to view its details. Within the order details, you should see tracking information including the current status and estimated delivery date. Also there you will see a track package button that you can tap on it to get more detailed tracking information. Also, Temu may send email notifications with tracking information when your order is shipped. You can check your email for any tracking links. If Temu provides a tracking number, you can also track the package directly on the delivery service website. So by following these steps, you can easily track your orders on Temu app and stay updated on the delivery status. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any update from us. Thank you for watching.